to my Tuesday Art Talk. Today we're going to talk about how I wash my paintbrushes, and I want to talk about the two different types of soap I use. The first one I want to talk about is regular old dishwashing soap. Now I put the soap in these containers because you only need a couple drops of soap on your acrylic brushes. And the next thing I want to talk about is shampoo. Yes, so I use, the same shampoo I use on my hair, the nice quality shampoo, and I use those for my oil paint brushes. Oil paint brushes are usually a natural hair. So yes, shampoo works really good. It does get out the oil. Once again, I put it in this type of container, just a couple drops on my paintbrush, and it does come clean. So you really don't have to spend a large amount of money to get your paint brushes clean. So if you want a full-length tutorial on how I clean my paintbrushes, just go to my YouTube channel at Gail A. McFarland Artist, and you could see a full video there. So until next week, next Tuesday, bye-bye.
Thank you.